Welcome to my allotment journey. Today is Wednesday. We've had the worst winds possible here for the last 2 days. It's still very windy today, but compared to the last two, it's absolutely lovely, you could say. I was expecting the worst when I turned up today, but it's not as bad as it could have been. I did have a couple of casualties, and the casualties were my strawberries. So my strawberry planter, when I turned up, was on the floor. So that's where they were. I've now moved them. I've popped a few up here, a few down there, but they're okay. I think they could do with a good water and some fresh soil popped in there, but not too much damage. So I've noticed I've got some buds on my grapevine. I managed to rescue this grapevine when we got this pot. It was under a hell of a lot of rubbish and rubble, and we brought it back and we had our first grapes last year. So I'm hoping we get our fair share this year also, so we shall see. I've got a question. So is there anybody out there in the UK that has or is growing sweet potato plants? I went to the garden centre and I picked this up. It's a sweet potato plant. I have never grown sweet potatoes before. To be honest with you, I'm still very new to actually growing potatoes, full stop. But if anybody has any advice, any tips, that would be great. I will be doing some research tonight, but I always like to hear from people that have actually grown them here in the UK. I am, I believe, zone 7 if I'm correct, so I'm in Buckinghamshire. But if anyone can help me out and just let me know the best way to grow this sweet potato plant, I would really appreciate it. Just found some begonias that I have forgotten about. They can't go until May. But I'm tempted to put them in now. You know, what does a couple of weeks matter? Frost, I don't know. Do you know what? I'm just going to go and find them at home. Let's go have a look. Shall we put them in there? I think I've got too many bulbs in there. Ooh, on the plum tree. Ooh, maybe the pear tree. I've got any bulbs in the pear tree. I don't know if there's any in that apple tree. There's definitely some in that one. Let's go pear. So I decided to pop them around the bottom of my plum tree in the end with my chamomile, which looks a bit sorry for itself, but at the same time is growing back. So I've had to put my coat back on. I've now got the kettle on. I'm absolutely freezing. I cannot believe the dramatic change in weather again that we've had. So, you know, it is false pretence, isn't it? We have a bit of sun, we're like, woo! But let's be realistic. This is England. and it's more cold than it is sunny. So, but yeah, so I've got the kettle on now, and I'm going to decide what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to do a little bit of raking over, because I've noticed that I've got a friend that's been digging. I don't think it's the deer now. I think the deer have moved on, because I haven't caught them lately on the trail cam. I do need to put the trail cam back up, but got a feeling it could be the rabbits, or I could be totally wrong, but there is something that's having a little dig around the plot again, so might go and rake all that over, tidy that up, obviously after I've had my cup of tea. But I think this is more of a chat vlog today than anything. I really wanted to kind of like check up on everything after the winds. I do want to, I've got a massive crate that I lined, which is on one of my other videos, and I was going to kind of use it to, I think at one point, grow potatoes in. I've decided now I'd like to create a massive sort of like flower bed sort of planter thing in it, which I think would be really, really nice, and it would be quite nice in the centre of my plot. So I need to see if that's going to work though, because I need to see if I can get a wheelbarrow either side of it still, but unfortunately there's nobody here today, and I can't move it by myself. It's really heavy, so I need to kind of nab somebody to help me move it about. I haven't filled it with soil yet and it's still heavy, can you imagine? So I need someone to help me just move it, see if it looks good where I want it, and then fill it, and then just kind of make it into some really nice sort of, oh my god, 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 oh my god. Can you see that? Can we see that? I don't know what to do right now. I don't know if you guys can see that, because I'm having an absolute panic. But it's just gone back in the crack. It's gone back in the crack. Oh my god! I need to get out of here. I don't even know if I want a cup of tea now. Okay, so I'm off to scrounge some nettles to make some nettle tea. Now, I'm not sure how many nettles I need, so I've just got that, and then I plan to put it in here, obviously add some more water, and then see what happens. So I've done it, I filled it, and I believe I'm meant to now leave it for 3 weeks or so. I'm not sure, that's what I was told. I will have to double check. Now my battery is running out on the camera, so it keeps cutting it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all again soon.